Hey, Photos photographers, it's good to see you. Well, we talked about acclimating your equipment to the location where you will be shooting. What about getting your stuff packed back up? If you leave a lens cap sitting out somewhere, or your camera is in the cold and your lens cap is warm in your pocket or something up next to you, it's not a huge issue, but I've found some times where I didn't think about that and maybe it was hot outside. I put my lens cap in my pocket and I didn't think about it. Then when I put my lens cap or took it out of my pocket to put it back on my lens, it's all sweaty and wet. I had to let it dry. So think about that. Make sure you think about where you put your lens cap. If, for instance, right now it's wintertime, it's cold outside, you see me wearing a hoodie a lot. I wouldn't suggest putting this in a pocket near you with your body heat, because then your lens cap is going to be warm. It's not going to cause a lot of disturbance, but it still causes me enough that I just don't like to do that. I want my lens cap to be acclimated just like my lens, so that when I put the two back together, there's no huge temperature differential. That's me. But I just thought I'd include that as a tip for y'all, so that y'all aren't experiencing some of these things by accident and having that experience and going, what do I do now? Is it gonna be a problem? Don't give yourself that worry. Just keep your stuff together, let it acclimate together, and when you put it all back together, keep it protected, it'll be ready to go next time you pull it out. Thank y'all for watching and subscribing. I appreciate y'all doing this. And if this adds value to your shooting and learning process, please subscribe, comment below, and like this video. We're gonna be talking a lot more about how to use cameras and what we do in certain situations, how we use different camera settings, and the important part of how light affects it all. Light is an incredibly interesting topic, and I love thinking about how light operates. It's incredible. It informs every part of my life. And actually it was kind of interesting in college. We won't go into all that, but light is just fascinating. You can't see something, it's just, it almost appears as if something doesn't exist until light shines on it. And then you can create all sorts of different effects by how that object is lit, whether it has direct lighting, indirect lighting, the shadow it throws. I mean, there's so much that light creates. It's just really cool. Talk to y'all later.